Yeah, hi everybody, my name is Idun Richard and I'm 41 years old. So far the journey has been good, it's been compelling, and I'm very happy with the results.
Hi, I'm Honek Chahal. I have come back now for a hair review after a couple of years. Everything was up front. I feel extremely happy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Karthik from Ipoh. I got a very satisfactory result, which I'm very happy now. I eventually now can comb my hair and I can even stylish my hair, which I was not able to do it before.
Hi, my name is Nathaniel. I'm 24 and I came from Sabah. After the beard transplant procedure, my friends and family have noticed tremendous difference in my new look. They have given me compliments about it, and I'm very happy with the results, even if it is only after 5 months. I can't wait to see the full results after 1 year.